Tonight, the auto industry is getting a major boost since the passage of Proposition 100. Dealerships are anticipating an onslaught of customers looking to buy before the 1-cent sales tax increase goes into effect. ABC 15's Angie Holdsworth reports.
2 weekends before the price on the lots go up.
Definitely made me even consider it.
Amy is finally trading in her 18-year-old car, all because of Proposition 100.
I was planning on working the summer on getting a rental car, and then I thought, well, why should I spend the money on that?
There's special rates on them as well.
Brett Henkel, general sales manager of Big 2 Toyota in Chandler, says Amy is not alone. He's seeing a growing number of customers trying to cash in before the sales tax goes up.
If you're looking at a typical vehicle, you're talking about a 1% savings. Doesn't sound like a lot, but if you're looking at a $40,000 vehicle, it's $400 based on whether you buy it on the 31st or the 1st.
Henkel has been reaching out to customers with emails and advertising, drawing attention to what Proposition 100's passage will mean come June 1st.
If you've got someone that their incentive to come and buy a car is to get the most value for the money, $400 is a pretty big bonus for them.
With Memorial Day weekend already being one of the biggest weekends for car sales of the year, the push from Prop 100 stands to make it even bigger. After that, the increase in tax is something that might cause some hurt in sales.
For the most part, it's just going to be an additional dollar amount that's going to be tacked onto the cars. There's not a lot we can do about.
That extra pinch is something that people like Amy say just isn't worth waiting for.
And I guess I'm a person of principle, so.
In Chandler, Angie Holdsworth, ABC 15 News.